Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. So it's been a while since I have done a hair washing video, and I thought I would do one showing you guys how I cleanse my hair of product buildup, because I think that's very important. And I've gotten several questions about what kind of shampoos you should do to deep cleanse your hair, and I just wanted to show you guys what I do. It's a more natural way. So what I am using to deep cleanse my hair and get rid of all of the product buildup and just, anything that could be clogging my hair follicles is apple cider vinegar. You can get this for $4 at Walmart. I just bought the Great Value brand. It's organic and USDA organic. So if that's a big deal for you, definitely buy this one. You can just get the off-brand. It works the exact same. What I like to do is take this is actually a batter measuring cup, but I like to take this because it's the biggest one I have. This one is 4 cups. What you will need is 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water. The reason I say 1 part instead of an exact measurement is because it kind of depends on how much hair you have for how much vinegar and water you're going to need. A few quick disclaimers before you do this. Try to avoid getting the vinegar on the ends of your hair. You want to just try to focus on your scalp, and you don't want to dry out the ends of your hair. So after you shampoo your hair and rinse it, you will do another rinse with this, the vinegar and water. So what you'll do now to try to avoid getting the vinegar on the ends of your hair, oh my goodness, is hold it like this. I just kind of roll mine up out of the way, and then I hold it over here, and I pour the vinegar. And then to make sure you get the front, keep your hair up out of the way, and then just careful not to get this in your eyes, by the way. Okay, and then you can rinse the vinegar out with some more water. And then condition your hair as usual. When I condition my hair, I do not condition the roots because I have oily hair, and that would cause my hair to dry super oily. So I take from about here down, and if I'm in the shower and my hair is flipped the opposite direction, I'll take from the nape of my neck down, and that's the part I condition. That is all I do when using vinegar to rinse out the impurities in my hair. It's very helpful, and then my hair is so much more full and voluminous on the top because it's getting rid of anything that may be weighing it down. A few quick tips during your hair washing process. Definitely make sure you're only using warm water at the most when you're washing your hair. Try to use cool or lukewarm water when washing, and then when you rinse out your conditioner, use cool water to rinse your hair because this will help close up the hair follicles. It prevents frizz by using cooler water to rinse your hair. If you are wondering how often you should do the vinegar rinse, only do it 1 to 2 times a month, depending on your dandruff or your product buildup. I also wait until my hair is mostly dry to detangle because I feel like I lose a little bit more hair when it's completely wet. It's totally up to you how you do that, but I do use a pick to detangle my hair. I think it's more effective in preventing hair loss. A quick tip on the pick: when you are picking, no pun intended, when you are picking a pick out, make sure you buy one that is kind of flimsy in the bristles, because if it's super stiff, it is going to pull your hair out. You want one that's kind of flimsy where you can hold it in your hand and it bends slightly like that, not one that stays super stiff, because I found that the stiff picks tend to pull out hair just as much as a brush would. I intentionally did not show the brands of my shampoo and conditioner in this video because I don't want you to feel like you are limited to only the things I'm using. If you have questions about that, please let me know. I'll be happy to share which products I'm using. But since this was not a video about shampoo, it was a video about the vinegar, I did not include the shampoo and conditioner I'm using intentionally. So don't think I'm just leaving that out. Thank you again so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your guys' support. It means the world to me. If you want to see more hair inspiration, definitely check out my Instagram handle. It is Graley Hannah. We'll put that down here just so you can see it and you can look it up. And there's also a link in the description of this video that you can click on that will take you to my Instagram page. Thank you so much, you guys. You have a wonderful and blessed day.